And this is our dessert for today. Simple but tasty. My name is Antoine and welcome back to my channel. Now it's summertime and today I will make you a nice, simple, delicious recipe, a lemon dessert. Now let's start to make this recipe together. I start by zest 1 of lemon. I cut the lemon and I will take the juice of the lemons. The juice is ready. I pour it in the saucepan. Sugar and the last corn flour. I mix everything together. I will start to make the ingredients. I will make it between medium to low heat. I will start stirring the ingredients and one is thick and we see the first two bubbles. We will switch off and it's ready. And now we can switch off. I transferred another bowl and I will continue to stir and I will leave it to cool down and I will place it in the fridge for about 2 hours. Before I place it in the fridge, I will cover and now it's time to put it in the fridge. Now I will crush some biscuits. I put the biscuits. And I start to crush the biscuits. And the biscuits is ready crushed. I start to mix the fresh cream. Now I add the lemon and I mix everything together. I start by put some biscuits on the bottom. Now I start to piping the lemon cream. Again I put more biscuits. And now I make another layer of lemon cream. Some berries on the top. And finally, we finish with some mint. Now it's time to taste. I wish you that you try this recipe. It's summertime and will be nice to try it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. For now, I will say bye.